Do you find it difficult to maintain focus during work or any task? Are you tired of relying on stimulants or extreme measures just to stay alert? Well, I have some good news for you. There's a remarkable way to explore the chemistry of your breathing, bloodstream, and brain that can significantly benefit your health and improve your focus. Here's what you can do: find a comfortable spot, preferably away from water. Whether sitting or lying down doesn't really matter. Take a deep breath in vigorously and then exhale gently, allowing the air to fall out of your mouth. Repeat this pattern around 25 to 30 times. As you perform this breathing technique, you're increasing your oxygen intake while exhaling carbon dioxide. This shift in your internal chemistry can work wonders for your health and mental focus. You'll feel a flush in your face and a rise in your body temperature. That's because this breathing pattern increases adrenaline levels, making you more alert. But here's where it gets really interesting. After those 25 to 30 breaths, exhale all the air from your lungs and hold your breath with empty lungs for about 15 to 30 seconds. This breath hold further modulates your bloodstream's chemistry and includes a state of alert calmness. This unique combination of breath control allows you to achieve heightened alertness without feeling jittery or unfocused. It's the perfect balance of alertness and calmness that we all strive for. But wait, there's more you can do to optimize your focus and attention while working. Try positioning your screen or tablet at eye level or slightly higher. Looking upward activates specific brainstem neurons responsible for alertness, keeping you engaged and focused. Now, here's a productivity tip: work in dedicated 90-minute blocks. Our brains naturally cycle through periods of high and low alertness every 90 minutes. During these 90-minute blocks, immerse yourself in focused work. It may not be uniform throughout, but that concentrated effort will help you accomplish more. Here's a surprising fact: your bladder has a direct neural connection to brainstem areas that increases alertness. Avoid unnecessary distractions by minimizing bathroom breaks. Lastly, use low level white noise as a background sound as such. It helps mask distracting noises, allowing you to concentrate better. By implementing these techniques, you can achieve a heightened state of focus and improve your productivity. Remember, it's all about optimizing your breathing, workspace, and work habits. So take a deep breath, adjust your surroundings, and dive into your tasks with a renewed sense of focus and clarity.